Good morning, students. Again, my chapter is magnetism and matter, and topic is torque acting on a bar magnet when placed in the external magnetic field. तो ये बार मैग्नेट है, इसको हमने एक्सटर्नल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में रखा हुआ है. B is the magnetic field in which the bar magnet is placed in this magnetic field. N is the south pole, N is the north pole, S is the south pole, and theta here is the angle between magnet and direction of the magnetic field. So let 2L is the magnetic length, M is the pole strength or magnetic charges, the small m is the magnetic charges. The force when the magnetic charge placed in the magnetic field, it experiences a force. So force on the north pole, that is given by Fn is equal to m into b. This is along the direction of magnetic field. तो इस पे फोर्स लगेगा मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन में लगेगा, बिकॉज the pole strength is minus m of the south pole, equal and opposite magnetic charges हैं. So force on the south pole Fs will be m into b in opposite to the direction of the magnetic field. So force Fn north pole पे force मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन में लगेगा और साउथ पोल पे फोर्स क्या होगा, अपोजिट डायरेक्शन टू द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. सो बोथ फोर्सेस आर इक्वल एंड अपोजिट इन मैग्नीट्यूड में इन मैग्नीट्यूड दे आर सेम बट द डायरेक्शन इज अपोजिट. सो ड्यू टू दिस द लाइन ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ दीज फोर्सेस आर डिफरेंट, सो दे कॉन्स्टिट्यूट ए टॉर्क. सो लाइन ऑफ एक्शन डिफरेंट होने की वजह से टॉर्क क्रिएट करेंगे. सो due to these forces, the bar magnet tried to rotate about its point, that is center, and tried to align itself along the direction of the magnetic field. इन forces की वजह से जो डाइपोल बार मैग्नेट होगा वो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन में रोटेट करना स्टार्ट करेगा. सो इसकी वजह से एक टॉर्क लगेगा. दैट टॉर्क इज गिवन बाय टॉर्क इज इक्वल टू force into distance plus force into distance. Force Fn, that is the force on the north pole, into distance, perpendicular distance of this pole from the magnetic field, Fs and d2. So here d1 is the L sin theta. You can easily calculate from the geometry. So d1 is L sin theta. So d1 is the perpendicular distance between the magnetic field and force. Similarly, d2 is equal to L sin theta. So on putting these values, Fn is equal to mb, d1 is equal to L sin theta, again plus Fs is equal to mb, L sin theta. On adding, we get m into 2l, b sin theta. Here capital M, b sin theta. Here capital M is equal to m into 2l. This is the magnetic dipole moment. M is equal to m into 2l, magnetic dipole moment. It is the product of pole strength and magnetic length. So in vector form, m torque is equal to m cross b. So this is the vector form. This is the vector form of the torque. So this is how we will derive the expression of the torque when a bar magnet is placed in the magnetic field. Here are the cases. If theta is equal to 0, if the bar magnet is placed along the direction of magnetic field, that theta becomes 0, so it will experience no torque because sin 0 is equal to 0. When bar magnet is perpendicular to the magnetic field, so theta becomes 90 degree, so it experiences maximum force. So here torque is equal to m into b. So this is how we will derive the expression for the torque in the magnetic